Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you the brand new Kospet Prime. This is a Kospet Prime that everyone was talking about, and here we have in our channel finally. Let's get through the specification real quick and know better about the Kospet Prime. So the Kospet has 1260 mAh battery, a dual camera Face ID unlock. The front one is for Face ID. We have a 1.6-inch screen, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM. The Kospet is actually waterproof, so that makes even special. And the front camera is 2 megapixel. The side camera is 8 megapixel. We have a quad-core processor, 4G support, 7.1.1 Android, and more sensors like heart rate and sensors for sport mode, GPS navigation. We have sport mode actually, that is pretty impressive for sports that it has, and more things that we will see in the future of this video. So let's go ahead with unboxing. Now we have here the full box of Kospet Prime. As you can see, we have here the name and some specification. In the bottom as well we have here some specification for the Kospet. This is just all white with the logo Kospet. And we have here the first look at the watch. We can see the front camera with Face ID, the side camera, and 2 buttons. Let's pull the watch, put it down, see what we got underneath. All the package is printed with the name of Kospet. And here we have a screwdriver for probably for the SIM card. You have to open the SIM card with a screwdriver. We have the charger as well, the cable, as you can see. So this the Kospet comes with 2 different ports for charging. You have here the micro USB cable, as you can see, and in this one we have the head, if you want to call the head of the charger, that goes right in the watch. And this is with magnet, goes into the watch just like this. You saw how it pulls the magnet, and now the cable goes here and charge your Kospet. Let's pull everything back. Here we have some screws in case we lose any of them, and we have a plastic screen protector. Also in the end we have the user manual in case you need to read about the Kospet. Let's get back to the watch and see what we got. As you can see here we have the Kospet Prime. We know the specification of the Kospet now, and we can see that the bands are really soft. We have 2 helpers for bands, the clipper with metal, and actually holding now the Kospet really I really like it. It's a bit heavy and thick, as you can see, but for someone maybe that doesn't bother. Let's go ahead and power it on. We have to wait now until Kospet turns on. As you heard, the Kospet is now showing the Android sign or logo, and now it should be, yeah, now it's turned on. As you can see, the first page we have here date here, day, percentage of battery, time, the temperature. In the left side we have notifications. Down we have the average sport for steps, kilometers and burned calories. Up we have the taskbar as always. We have here time, day, Bluetooth logo, SIM card logo, date, percentage of battery, some shortcuts for brightness, do not disturb, half brightness, airplane mode, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, cleaner, music control, and weather in the end. So basically Kospet is like all the Androids that we did until now, but it has a different theme. It should have a different theme, so it's known for his name. In the menu we have contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Map Assistant, System Optimization, App Store, and Face Unlock. So we have this first watch in our channel. I don't know if any other watch exists with Face ID. This is the first watch that I own with Face ID. So that's pretty good, and we will try it and demonstrate it. So let's begin first with putting it in our hands and see how it works, how it fits in our hand, test some of the things, and then we will test the Face ID as well and see how it works. Now we have the Kospet Prime in our hands. As you can see, it sits really good. It's a bit thick, as I said in the beginning, but that's not a big problem when the watch works really good. Let's go to the menu and see what we got here. We have heart rate first. Let's go ahead and test it. The Kospet is taking a while for the heart rate, and that's a downside. That's not too good to take a while for measuring your heart rate. Let's try that again. Let's try one more time for heart rate. If it doesn't work the second time, we know that the Kospet has a problem with heart rate. And finally now it reads my heart rate, and that's a good thing for Kospet, because I thought they had an issue for heart rate, but that is working real good. Let's go now to the fitness. Auto run is the first option. And we have now, after 3-second countdown, the seconds going: kilometers, blood pressure measurement, burned calories, kilometer per hour, and pace, or the kilometers right here in the end. We know that now the Kospet works. Let's take this off and see what we can test or see else. So the weather and these things you saw on previous smartwatches that we did, that are Android, same as the Kospet. This time we have the face unlock that we need to see. Let's go ahead to face unlock. Let's put here an L for the pattern. Let me put just the face ID, and I'll be right back to test it with you guys. I just put my face here in the watch. Let's go ahead, turn it off, go in the side of camera and see if it reads like half a meter or 20 centimeter long distance. And as you saw, that was pretty good actually for a smartwatch. Let's test it again from a smaller distance and see if the timing will change. Maybe the Kospet will unlock faster. Let's go ahead and turn it off again. And as you can see, immediately it will unlock with Face ID, and that's really good for Kospet, and I like it very much, the Face ID function in a smartwatch. I hope in the future other companies will do the same as the Kospet, the Face ID, or other function, other options in the smartwatches. That will be very great. So guys, this was all for today's video in the unboxing of Kospet Prime. If you have any questions, suggestion, feel free to comment down below and we'll try to reply to you. In the next video we will be showing you how to connect the Kospet Prime with Android and iOS. So if you have any question for that, comment down below. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.